Hello everyone, it's me again, Miss Christine. Welcome back to Christine's Phonics. Hooray! Woo! Thank you so much again, everybody. Now, I am going to read a story to all of you about Little Quack's Bedtime. Now, this video is also dedicated to our little courageous Emily out there. Thank you so much for watching. Alright, now before we start, I forgot, it is me, Miss Christine, and my little Audrey over here. Say hi, Audrey. Hello. My little adventurer over here. Okay, now before we read our story, let's sing Humpty Dumpty Sat on the Wall. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Oh dear. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. One more time. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Oh dear, all the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Well done, everybody. Nicely done. All right, everybody, let's go to our story. Now, our story is about the Little Quack's Bedtime. Look, this is by Lauren Thompson and Derek Anderson. Now, children, look at the little ducky over here. I'm going to go closer. Okay, can you see that? The little ducky is very, very sleepy. So what do we do if we're sleepy? Do we take a shower? No, we take a nap. Now let's start, children. This is Mama Duck. And Mama Duck had 5 little ducklings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mama Duck had 5 little ducklings. Whittle, Waddle, Piddle, Puddle, and Little Quack. Look, it is nighttime, children, and Mama Duck said, "Day was done. Snuggle close, everyone, and shut your eyes. It's sleepy time, little duckling," said Mama Duck. All of them are very, very sleepy. So Whittle, Waddle, Piddle, Puddle, and Little Quack snuggled close to Mama. Look at that, they cuddled together just like little Audrey when she's sleepy. She's snuggled with me. And look, then her 5 little ducklings slow blink, 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 just like that. But look, Mama, look, they cried. What's this flashing in the dark? They're 2 big eyes. Do you think they're monsters and scary things? Let's see. They are really quite frightened. Mama Duck said, looked, and then she said, "Those are fireflies winking good night. That's what is blinking in the dark. Now it's sleepy time, little ducklings." Are they scary, children? No, they aren't. They're only little fireflies. Oh, sorry, darling. Would you like to go somewhere, my love? All right, okay, there you go, darling. There you go. So how many fireflies can we see? Can we count together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Whittle shut her eyes and went to sleep. But Whittle, Piddle, Puddle, and Little Quack was still awake. The rest of them are really wide awake. And then those 4 little ducklings heard, "Woo! Woo! Woo!" What could that sound be? "What's that hooting in the dark, Mama?" they said. They look quite scared, children. Look at that. Now Mama said, Mama Duck listened, and then she said, "That's an owl perched high above. What's this? It's an owl. It's not scary at all. That's what's hooting in the dark. And now it's sleepy time, little duckling." So Waddle shut her eyes and went to sleep. But Piddle, Puddle, and Little Duckling was still wide awake. They're very, very awake. Oh, but children, look at this. Would that be a scary monster, children? Those three little ducklings saw something. Sway, sway, sway. "Look, Mama, look!" they cried. "What's that moving in the dark?" they said. Was it scary, children? It's only a tree. Mama looked, and then she said, "That's the tree, and that you play beside. That's what is moving in the dark, and now it's sleepy time, little ducks." Oh, then Piddle Puddle shut her eyes and went to sleep. But Puddle and Little Quack are still wide awake, and they got scared again. Swish, swish, swish. "Listen, Mama, listen," they said. "What's that rustling in the dark?" And look at that. Mama Duck listened, and then she said, "Those are reeds saying hush to the night. That's what's rustling in the dark. Now it's sleepy time, little duckling. Can you see the reeds over here?" Yes. But little duckling was still wide awake. And Little Quack looked. Little Quack listened. All around was dark, dark, dark. Little Quack was really petrified and scared, children. "Mama," he cried. "Why, oh why, the night is so dark. It's really dark," and she was so scared. Mama snuggled close, and then she said, "So the stars can shine their twinkling light. That's why the night is oh so dark. Now it's sleepy time, little duckling. Look, it's dark so that the little stars can bright shine up in the sky." Then Little Quack shut her eyes and then went to sleep. "Good night, little ducklings. Good night," said Mama. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and Mama Duck fell asleep really nicely that night. The end. Well done, everyone. Did you like that story? I love that story too. But before we go, we are going to sing our 5 Little Ducks song. I'm going to show you my little Audrey because I think she's very, very sleepy too. Sleep tight, darling. Sleep tight. All right. So we're going to sing 5 Little Ducks a day. Okay, show me 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready? 5 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mama Duck says, "Quack, quack, quack, quack," but only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mama Duck said, "Quack, quack, quack, quack," but only 1, 2, 3. 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mama Duck said, "Quack, quack, quack, quack," but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mama Duck says, "Quack, quack, quack, quack," but only 1 little duck came back. How many? 1 finger. One little duck went out one day over the hill and far away. Mama duck says, nice! But none of the little ducks came back. Oh dear, is Mama Duck happy, children? No, Mama Duck is very, very sad because the little ducklings did not come back. So Mama Duck went out one day over the hill and far away. Mama Duck said, quack, 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 quack. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 little ducks came back. Well done, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Now, I hope you enjoyed that story. And I hope you enjoyed that little Emily too. Now, can we say goodbye, everyone. And goodbye to my little Audrey. Bye-bye. Thank you so much again for watching. Don't forget to put your thumbs up over there and subscribe to our channel. Have a lovely night, everybody. Good night. Mwah.